Hi everyone and welcome to your first Scottish Studies session of the new term. Before I start, I'd like to welcome everyone back and wish you all a happy new year. Hope it turns out to be a good year for all of you. And again, just before I present your starter for today, I'd just like to go over a few important points. First of all, please engage. I will set work for all the periods that you're timetabled to have Scottish Studies. You have another full unit to complete, so it's really important that you participate in the tasks that I set you. I will set your work via Scottish Studies team and show my homework. I'll be available most of the time, but most certainly for all the periods that Scottish Studies is timetabled for. Sometimes I will arrange a live chat or a meeting for us all during one of these periods, but I'll send you an invite and you'll get good notification of it. Remember, you can contact me at any time via our team, show my homework, and you can use email. I know you've all got my email address because you were sending me some of your stuff before Christmas. And again, whatever task I set or activity, I would prefer it if you emailed me your completed work. And again, any issues that you encounter, any questions that you have, any challenges, then please just email me or contact me via Teams or show my homework just to let me know what they are and I can try to help you. We're to give classes check-in time, so you know I've got 2 Scottish Studies classes. So 3C, that's the class that's timetabled for G240. Your check-in time is going to be a Thursday at 9:30 in the morning. My other class, which I take up in the IT department, that's 3H, your check-in time is going to be a Friday at 11 AM. So please make sure you're available at those times. Okay, this term we're going to be starting a new unit, and that unit is called Travel and Tourism Scotland. Okay, but before I go give you any more details about that, I just want to continue with some of the kind of starter work that we're doing. And what we were focusing on was the Scots language. Okay, so today we've got a Scottish starter that's looking at specific Scots words. Again, if you're doing a task for me, I would prefer it if you completed using a Word document and emailed it to me. But if not, take a photograph of your work and any kind of written response that you have for me, and you can email that to me as well. Okay, task 1. Write down what you think the following Scots words mean. Number 1, whit. 2, hoose. 3, ken. 4, breed. 5, hod. 6, wheesht. 7, gee. 8, drich. 9, sleeket. 10, wane. Okay, so we have a new unit that we're undertaking, and this new unit is called Travel and Tourism Scotland. Okay, so this session we're going to focus on Scotland as a tourist destination, and we're going to be exploring why visitors come to Scotland. For many years now, Scotland has been a well-developed tourist destination. Although Scotland attracts many visitors from the UK, from Wales, from England, from Northern Ireland, from Ireland, and even from Scotland itself, for a few decades now, more and more visitors have been coming to Scotland from all over the world. The USA and many European countries, France, Germany, Italy, Spain. So in 2018, I think it was, Scotland was named as one of the world's top travel destinations. And again, this helped to bring all these visitors from across the world to come to Scotland and see what it had to offer. So we're going to be thinking about why do tourists visit Scotland, and there's very many reasons for that. One of the most important reasons that somebody might have to visit Scotland is that they have some kind of family connection, a clan and ancestor connection, and they're trying to kind of trace their roots. They're trying to find out about the family relative that used to live in Scotland. Okay, Scotland also has a wealth of attractions. It's got castles, museums, parks, famous buildings, and people obviously want to come and see these things in Scotland. One of the best things of Scotland is its diversity. Okay, it has unique countryside. It's some of the most spectacular landscape that you will see in the whole world. It's got busy, bustling cities. It's got icy mountain peaks and got charming villages. It's got lots and lots to offer, all of which combine to make Scotland an excellent holiday destination. Scotland can offer a visitor an action-packed break, a cultural adventure, or a relaxing retreat. It offers so much to so many people. Scotland is a well-developed tourist destination, with tourism generally being responsible for providing over 200,000 jobs. With tourist spending averaging about £4 billion per year, it's a really important part of the Scottish economy. So the first part of the new unit that we're undertaking is to help you develop your knowledge about places in Scotland that tourists want to visit and to explore again why visitors come to Scotland. So to do that, I'm going to get you to focus on Scotland and try to locate where specific places are located within a map of Scotland. So your task is to complete the map to show where all the places listed on the sheet are located. Now that is the worksheet that I'll be uploading to Teams and Show My Homework. It will be as a Word document or a PDF, and you can annotate on it or you can word process on it. And that's what you would be recording all the information on. So you have all these places, they're all numbered. Number 1's Aberdeen, 2 Dundee, 3 Glasgow, and so forth. You have all these places, and what you have to do is try to locate them within a map of Scotland. Now you might have to do some research. Some of them, relatively straightforward, Glasgow. Okay. Some of them you might not be quite sure about, so you're going to have to do a wee bit of research. So to complete the map, I want you to use the number for each place and put that onto the actual map. And again, you'll get all this stuff uploaded to either Teams or Show My Homework. Please record your work on the Word document or the PDF and email me your completed work. If that's not possible, take a photograph of your written responses and email me your work. Please remember to make a note of your check-in time. And again, you can contact me anytime should you require any help or you've just got a general question to ask. I'm more than willing to answer any questions that you may pose to me. Okay, so good luck. Try to complete your tasks and try to email them to me as soon as you can. Thank you. Bye.